Hello friends, in this video we are going to study explain chart groups, explain types of chart and explain steps to insert chart in MS Excel 2007. Okay, see here, what are the steps, how to create charts? Okay, these are the steps. Okay, so for the first step, first you have to select the data. Example, you want to draw column chart. First select the data. Okay, then after that click on insert tab. Okay, then after that click which chart you want, example column. Okay, select the column. In column 2D 3D there are different types are there. Okay, whichever you want, just click it. So it displays the column chart. Okay, what the column chart explains. Okay, so which student scored which, how much percentage. Okay, Vivek scored 65.2% like this. Okay, clear, no? Okay, like this. If you want to draw a pie chart, okay, so select the data, then go to insert tab. Okay, second select pi. In pi also 2D pi 3D pi are there. Okay, select which you want, just click it. Okay, displays. Yes, quarter 1 is this one, indicate this color. Okay, quarter 2 this color, quarter 3 this color, like this. Clear, no? Okay, this is how to create a chart. Okay, next, what are the types of charts? First one is column chart. Okay, there are many types of charts here. See here, column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter. In other charts, again, stock, surface, dot nut, bubble, and radar last. Total 11 charts are there. Okay, let's see one by one. First, column chart. Column chart is a graph that shows vertical bars. So it displays in a vertical bar. Clear, no? With the axis values for the bars. Okay, clear, no? See this here. Okay, so which student scored how much percentage? Okay, you can easily identify. Okay, clear, no? This is about column chart. Next, second one is line chart. What the line chart says? Line charts are used to display trends over time. See, for example, here this is a line chart. Okay, 4 categories are there. So 4 categories are displayed here. Then series 1, series 2, series 3. Series 1 color indicates this blue. Okay, series 2, and this one is series 3. Okay, what series 1? Okay, where is the first value? 4.3. This is 4.3. What is the 2.5? Okay, next in category 2, 2.5. In category 2, 2.5 here. In category 3, 3.5. In category 3, 3.5. Somewhere here. Next in category 4, 4.5. Somewhere here. Okay, like this it displays. Okay, all the remaining series. Clear, no? This is about line chart. Next, third one. Pie chart. Pie chart displays the contribution of each value of a total. Use the pie chart when values can be added together. Okay, see, for example, here there are 4 quarters are there. First quarter, second quarter, third. These are the sales. Okay, so first quarter this many sales. Okay, in second quarter this one, like this. You can easily identify. Next, fourth one, bar chart. Bar chart is similar to column chart, but it displays horizontally. Okay, it displays horizontally. Same, instead of vertically, it displays horizontally. Clear, no? Next, area chart. Area chart is a line chart with areas below the lines filled with colors. Used a stacked area chart to display the contribution of each value to a total over time. Okay, see here. Area chart emphasizes difference between several sets of data over a period of time. Let's see here, for example, okay, on 1/5/2002. Okay, so what is series 1? This color indicates series 1, blue color. Okay, 32. This is 32 pointer. Next, on 1/6/2002. Okay, how much? 32. 32 only. Same. Next to 28. Next, come down. 12. Okay, here 12. Okay, next 15. So clear, no? Next, series 2. Series 2 is which color? This color. Okay, series 2 first one is 12. Okay, first point is 12. Next point also 12. Third point also 12. Okay, next fourth point is 21. 21 somewhat here. Next last to 28, like this. Clear, no? Okay, next sixth one, scatter chart. Scatter chart is also known as XY chart. Okay, there is the X and Y columns. This type of chart compares pairs of values. It compares pairs of values. Use a scatter chart when the values being charted are not in a x-axis order when they represent separate measurement. See here, for example, there is the x value and y value. Okay, so 0.7. Okay, zero point 0.7 here, x value, and y value 2.7. Okay, here one dot it displays. Second value 1.8, 3.2. 1.8 is here, 3.2 is here. Third one 2.6, 0.8. 2.6 here, 0.8 is here, like this. Okay, this is XY or scatter chart. Next, seventh one is stock chart. Okay, it's simply a price chart that shows stock's price plotted over a time frame, and it shows few key sets of information: stock symbol and exchange. The symbol for the stock as well as specific exchange it trades on. See here, for example, okay, this one. Okay, there are four values are there: open, high, low, and close. On 1/5/2002, this one. Okay, what is low and what is high? This one is low. Okay, 11. What is high? 55. This is high 55. Okay. Next, what is open? 44 is open. 44 is open. What is closer? 25. 25 is close here. This is low. This is high. This is open, and this one is close. Like this for all the dates. Clear, no? Next, surface chart. Surface chart is a three-dimensional Excel chart that plots the data points in three dimensions. It's displayed in three dimensions: X, Y, and Z. You can see the mesh kind of surface, which helps us to find optimal combination between two kinds of data points. A typical surface chart consists of three variables data charts. It contains three variables: series 1, series 2, series 3. Clear, no? Okay. This is 3D dimensional. Next, dot net chart. Dot net chart is a built-in chart type in Excel. Dot net charts are meant to express a part-to-whole relation, where all pieces together represent 100%. Dot net chart work best to display data with small number of categories. Okay, so it covers full 100%. See, first quarter 8.2. Okay, how much? 59%. Okay, second quarter 23%, 10%, 8%, like this. Clear, no? Next, 10th one is bubble chart. Bubble chart is a variation of scatter chart in which the data points are replaced with bubbles. Okay, so similar to XY chart. Okay, here instead of dots, here bubbles. Okay, if you increase the size here, okay, if I make 20, okay, this is 20, 10 as present. If I make it 20, okay, it get increase. Okay, clear, no? Like this. Then last one is radar chart. Radar chart, also known as spider chart, it looks spider, polar charts, web charts, or star plots, are a way to visualize multivariate data. They are used to plot one or more groups of values over multiple common variables. Let's see example here. Okay, this is a radar chart. Okay, on 1/5/2002, this is 1/5/2002, this line. Okay, there are values here: 10, 20, 30, 40, like this. For this also, here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, like this. Okay, 0, 10, 40, like this. Okay, for all 5. Clear, no? Okay, first one, take an example: 1/5/2002. Series 1 is 32. Okay, first point is 32 here. Okay, next point is 32, again here 32 on 1/6. Next, third also 28, here 28. Next, fourth one is 12. This is 12 value. Okay, this is 10. This is 12. This is 20. Okay, this is 12, and this one is 15. Clear, no? Okay. Similarly, series 2 also. Clear, no? Okay. This is very important. Okay. If you want, you can take snapshot. Okay. First one is column chart, line chart. Okay, then the diagram you have to draw in exam. This is pie chart, explanation and diagram both. Bar chart, area chart. If you want, you can take snapshot. Then scatter chart. In other charts, so stock chart, surface chart, dot net chart, bubble chart, and last one is radar chart. Diagram must have to draw in exam. Okay.